Bailey to BOPP, but many brands are still using PVC label. Like Hajmola, small bottle is having PVC label. I came across that. Why we are not shifting that thing? BOPP can be shifted. BOPP can be used easily. BOPP is recyclable. That BOPP chips can be manufactured. BOPP has wonderful application. All the plastic chairs.
I think both of you gentlemen have a point to prove. Definitely, I think this has to be discussed in wider platforms with more stakeholders.
We are pushing it from last 4 years. Please close PVC wrapper.
I think
but
you
still
need to be
no
more
outputs
vocal, my dear sir. We need to be more vocal. We need to be patient as well. Any other question?
Chakravarti, just
Mr. Vijay Kumar.
yeah, I just want to add to the design you people are talking. See, in the EPR, manufacturers have escaped. This is the major contribution from the manufacturers. Please understand that. They want to then sell product, and everyone is based out of India, whoever are influencing the multinationals. The combination of the polymers has got a great effect by these people. If you tell them to adhere to the one single policy of using a polymers which can be recyclable, I think designing will not be a problem. Now, as Mr. Nitin was saying, we have been fighting with the government. Plastic bans are not the solution. Today, they have come with the alternatives. How much is it sustainable in the market today? How many years it will take to replace those phasing out next year? I think manufacturers have to get into the EPR. Until as they don't get in, this design problem will continue for a long time. This is my view.
You have a point there, Mr. Vijay Kumar. In fact, I myself am personally looking into a situation wherein the 100% recycled polymer, which has enough strengths, enough properties equivalent to the processable properties, not just mechanical and chemical properties, machinable properties also. And that the cost of that recycled polymer should be less than the virgin polymer. I'm really looking forward to that. And I'm very optimistic. At this today, it is not possible. I know, but as the technology is evolving in the coming years, it's going to happen. When once that happens, people start using completely recycled polymers. So with that, I would wrap up this wonderful session this afternoon. I must thank sincere gratitude to all of you in the first place, being so patient and listening to us this afternoon, and also for the great insights right from Prabhjot ji, Amit ji, Ashish, Vikas joining remotely, and Nitin Mishra. And thanks to Amit once again for you. And with that, my gratitude to all of you. Give a big round of applause to all of you once again. Thank you.
So, we'll be presenting memento to our panelists. So the clock says it's 5:25 and we have two speakers. But before that, we'll be presenting mementos to our panelists for being part of this session. May I request Mr. Jiten Thakkar to present mementos to our panelists? To Mr. Chakravarti, AVPS, Mr. Nitin Agrawal.
I am not worthy enough to give our esteemed panelists, but just thank you guys. I think we need to have more platforms for youngsters like us to actually understand the issue around this and then, try and contribute in the best way we can. So thank you, guys.
So Mr. Nitin Agrawal is Chief Strategy Officer with Pashupati Group, and he is presenting memento to Mr. Chakravarti, AVPS. Right. Mr. Jitain Thakkar, he's from SCJ Plastic Company. Apologies. So I'll also request Mr. Jitain to present memento to Mr. Ashish Sachdev, Founder President, Green Dream Foundation. To Mr. Amit Saha, to Mr. Nitin Mishra, and to Mr. Prabhajot Sodhi, MBE. So now I would request Mr. Nitin Agrawal to say a few words. He is he's Chief Strategy Officer with Pashupati Group. Okay. Prior to that, we'll have a presentation by Mr. Anand Sudhir,